Stay connected to those around you with a Messages app on your Galaxy Watch. Want to send a quick message to your bestie? Just navigate to and open Messages. Compose a new message by selecting the new message icon. You can enter a phone number here or tap the contact icon to view available contacts. If you already have a little chat going, just tap on the message thread from the log to send a new message or to reply to an existing one. There are many ways to send and respond to messages. You can simply speak your message and it will convert to text, "On my way," or record a message to an audio file. If you're in a hurry and don't have a ton of time, use an emoji. Or you can write your message out on the watch face. Use the keyboard to type out your message the good old-fashioned way. Or use a quick response. You can also respond from the Messages app on your phone. If you've missed any messages, you'll see this orange dot indicator. Swipe right to check them out. Tap the message to respond.